And to our committed teachers and staff who have mentored, nurtured, and walked alongside our graduates every step of the way. As we celebrate this day, we also take a moment.
Have 123 students. For information and communications technology, under technical vocational livelihood track, we have 16 students. 236 candidates for graduation who have successfully completed their academic requirements. With great honor and pride, I now present these candidates to our principal, Dr. Shireen T. Labu, and to our school president, Dr. Daniel S. Razon, in accordance with the requirements set by the Department of Education.
Education for senior high school under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, I hereby confirm that the presented candidates have successfully completed the prescribed academic requirements. I now declare you graduates. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shireen Labu. Congratulations, graduates, and the public, please let us have a thunderous applause for our graduates from senior high school. To the Science and Technology, Engineering and Mathematics A, their chief mentor is Miss Abigail Love Ganadores.
It is an honor and a privilege to present to you the graduates from the Science, Technology, and Engineering and Mathematics Section A. Lin C. with honors. This is our loyalty awardee. Maglalang Tracy SB with high honors.
President for 6 consecutive years during my high school life, I have witnessed how each individual here has grown not just in intelligence, but in faith, hope, and love.
Pinractice na natin. Yung next po, STEM B. Yan, double time tayo kasi po may ano. Yung mga natapos na, mga anak, daan sa exit, diba? Usapan natin. Exit na dun sa ano po, sa exit talaga, sa gilid. Para hindi na po maipon dyan. Ano bang section ito? Okay na po, baba na. Mga anak, diretso exit na.
Congratulations!
Arrest, please po.